Check out my eyebrows. Good day everyone, it's the evening of day 15. And to be honest, today has been a really rubbish day. But it had a fantastic ending. It was really crap. Emotionally and mentally. I was just upset because of certain things and certain relationships that had come to light. And yeah, it was just pretty trash. And because of it, the result was I ate really bad. I had like chocolate biscuits and then grain waves, and then ended up going and having ice cream, had Maccas. Just because like it's amazing, like the power of emotional eating. Like I ate because I was just really down. And although it was a crap day today, I've purposed in my heart that tomorrow is going to be a better day. And it's so good because, like, sometimes, like, it's day 15. And sometimes in life, when you journey, you're not always going to just have the highs. You're going to have to go through the dips and the lows, so that like it's a great testing of faith and character to see whether you will learn from it and grow or stay down and out. And I choose to grow. So tomorrow is going to be a fantastic day. I take ownership of my feelings. I take ownership of the things that I need to work on and need to be better at in my own life, personally, spiritually and emotionally and mentally, and especially physically. And so tomorrow I will strive to be better. Before the battery dies, it's day 16 and I'm having breakfast with Mum. Hey Mum. Work today. Porridge, I'm excited green tea, I must and a banana. And Mum's watching my video. About 11:30 or 12. The battery's about to die. I need to sort this out. Hey fam, it's the morning of day 17. Last night I finished work, I got home, I had another U-Foods meal, and then I had like heaps of U-Foods blondies and brownies because they're so yum. This morning I literally was on the way to the train station to drop off my sister, and I could feel like I started dry reaching, gagging, and so I got home and I spewed up, which is not a good thing. So this morning I've decided I'm going to do a green tea and water detox today. I just need to flush some things out of my system. I'm in the church office today. I've got a lot to do. And next week I'm going into full-time hours, like hardcore, from next week onwards. And so that's how I feel on day 17. We're going to the tip.
So there goes our TV. Had this TV for 8 years and it's finally gone. Goodbye TV. And we're getting a new one, aren't we?
We're getting new ones.
Yes.
You don't even know the song. I'm having like a meal replacement type of shake. It's chocolate flavor. Shake, 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 shake. This afternoon I had a chicken wrap and one of my U-Foods meals. It was the curry. Curry, fruit, infused tea water, raspberry.
Hello, Miracle.
Hello.
How was your lunch?
Great. It was curry.
Well, how would you rate it?
Out of 10, I think 8.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. I think it needs chicken though. It's not a vegetarian curry.
Ah, need a bit of protein to bulk it
As
up.
you can tell.
I don't know what's funnier, the fact that I'm being zoomed. Are you ready?
Oh no, I can't.
I can't do it.
Thank you. So thoughtful.
Hi, Yvonne.
Hello.
What were you eating just then?
I had some blueberries
Oh, yeah?
and some Thai food.
Tell us about them.
Blueberries were very sweet.
Ready? Ready? Get it really close to do a face with me. Ready? Really close.
I can't.
Ready? This is your face. This is your face.
Hey team, it's day 19 and we're just running errands this morning. Tonight is our young people's gathering, Come Alive, so we're really excited about that. So this box is one of the boxes that we're gonna fill for our giveaways. Remember I said that I was giving away a bag of goodies? It's pretty much a box of goodies. It's gonna be sent to your address. It's gonna be filled with chocolates, like sweet stuff that I love to eat. Sweet chocolates and stuff that I love to eat that I can't currently eat at the moment because I'm trying to walk in the path of righteousness. Congrats to Rowena and Manaya for winning these two boxes, these two goodie boxes. So thank you so much, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, obviously, and then after that, then it'll just be the two who's
Yeah.
Welcome to
Okay.
Come Alive.
Yep, shock attack.
Someone come on my back! Alex! Come on my back, Alex! Honestly, Alex is so light. Look, I'm too old for this. Are you puffed out? Because I am. Man, I'm puffed out.
Remember?
Wait, we're all here. What team are we again?
Number
3. Have a name, oh, 2.
Number 2.
So remember, there's
Hi,
going to be
Alex.
silence. So this.
So we're in the line, eh? Whoa.
And they're going to give it to you. So while you guys are waiting, you guys are facing that way. Right?
Look what you do. See all these things.
Again. Now, let's see that. Keep going. Yeah, Yeah, that's you won.
We just won that round, brother. Yeah. Shock team. High fives all around. Onto it.
Yeah, so
It's my dance moves. Pretty slick.
when you get. Let's go. I'm gonna play it back to me. Doesn't matter. To uplift your praise or your thanksgiving to God. If you want to say a little prayer, feel free to do so. Yes, Lord. Father, we thank you, Lord, for your precious blood. We thank you for your breath of life, Jesus. We thank you for your word that gives us peace. We thank you for your word that speaks. Lord, and there is life, Father, in the name of Jesus. Father, we are so grateful for our families. This evening, Father, in the name of Jesus, we pray, Lord, for each of us. That you breathe life, Lord. Lord, we surrender all that we are to you, Jesus. Oh, yes, Lord.
Live for you, God. And every breath that I take. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Every moment I'm away.
Just you and God to see.
Lord, every way. Lord, every way. Thank you for your love, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. How you gonna go?
Let's go.
Ethan's not even subscribed to my channel. Jesse's not even subscribed to my channel. He lost the OG.
Loyal.
3 years ago he subscribed. This is Tatum. Why are you laughing, Madam? Why are you laughing?
Your friends from ask what I can bring. Not when you pick them up there. I got a family
Yeah, if they
about
come to your
8
house,
someone's house.
if they come to your house, then I can bring cars to pick them up. I've been telling you that for the last however many months.
Yeah, I told him.
Oh, that's why you haven't been for however many months. Business just come back to the light today.
6 weeks. He hasn't seen them. 6 weeks.
Tell the truth, girlfriend. Woo-hoo! Everyone's eating pizza. I didn't have any pizza. I'm gonna have a banana.
Do you want a banana?
Thanks, everyone! Oh my god! Oh, here we go.
Just subscribe.
High five me! Yeah! 103! We're chasing 200 subscribers, so... No, Tatum! Don't! We are chasing 200 subscribers, okay? You need a...
I can win another giveaway.
If you can see here, I'm 104. Woo! Yeah, those are the other 2 extra subscribers here.
Thanks, Jack and Chloe.
Thanks, Jack and Chloe.
This is my card with lots of nice things written on it.
Yeah.
I love these people. Why? No. Oh my god, this isn't a mirror, it's a camera.
But he wants to give us here.
Hey Josh! Josh! Say hello! Stole my Doritos. That's Chloe. That's Jack. Josh. Elisha.
Here they are. Abraham.
Oh,
This is you. Did you end up buying it? Oh, good. What time did you get here, Abraham? Dad?
Oh, about a minute ago.
Oh, yeah.
Long time ago.
Oh, yeah. Dad, where are we?
We're outside the post. What's that, a post or a boots? Drinks. Healthy drink.
What are you drinking?
I bought Eden garden, which is, the garden where Adam and Eve created.
So what's in it then?
A lot of veggies, green.
Yeah. I bought Mom and Dad some Boost.
Yeah.
And I got Boost too. And I got protein balls, like the hazelnut one and chocolate.
Yummy.
Yummy. Jazz, what did you get? Oh, yum. What did you get? Oh, we got the same.
I don't know either.
He did
All
it.
veggies.
He did it. Oh yeah, this lighting sucks, man. We're at Beach House and we're here for family dinner. The lighting is a little bit dark. They put us in a dark spot. But there's heaters.
I'd sit out there twice. But then he wanted to go to the back.
And I'm about to order the biggest steak tonight because I feel like steak. Oh my gosh.
I just want some more. Yeah, that's right. Just so that
This is Jazz. She's always really awkward in front of me. Steak, mashed veggies, and sauce. Choice. You might not be able to see it properly, but it's pancakes with syrup and chocolate sauce and ice cream. No. I know. This is my splurge for tonight.
Behold, suddenly something is going to happen. So there is a suddenly in the church of Almighty.
Everybody be running. Look, it's raining up in there. Hey everybody, thank you for watching this week's vlog. Congrats again to our winners for the giveaways. And yeah, I'll see you next time, next week, same place, for another vlog. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you to everybody who's followed this channel so far. I really appreciate all the love and support. Please keep an eye out. My brothers, Rev and Josh, will be taking over this channel for a couple of videos. They will be doing their mukbang challenges where they will eat disgustingly unhealthy foods while I watch and ask them questions about life and everything in between. Nothing is off limits, so yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Bye.